Motherfucker. Hey, we live in the motherfucking vlog. You know what it is, man. Luboston on your TV screen. Let me put this motherfucker down. Yeah, you know what the fuck going on, man. I just got the mask on. I got the whole suit, got the boots, got the pants, got everything. You know what I'm saying? We about to go out. We're going out for a ride. It's snowing outside. We expecting a major snowstorm in Boston. It's, you know, beginning of December, holiday season, bitch. You know what I'm saying? We lit. We about to go out and ride the dirt bikes to my mom's crib. So she cooking over there. So you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna move the car because I lose my spot. So it's a whole lot going on. We out. First snowstorm, and we in motherfucking Boston. You see what I'm saying? We lit, man. You see the boots. You see the layers. You see the layers. You see everything. Gotta go get some tarps for the dirt bikes, man. The ones that's outside, we feel bad for them, so we gotta take, you know. Used parts store, we in the, you know, used parts store. I found this pogo stick. I'm about to get it cracking. Y'all watch this. Hold on, you gotta back up a little bit. Man, I'm about to travel over there. It's cock out this shit on. Back up a little bit. Back up. Hold on. I gotta get it right. It's just not a lot of space to bust around over here. Hold up. It's just too old, dog. It's too old. It's rusty, dog. That way, I tried. That motherfucker rusty, dog. Alright, one more time. Oh, shit. Motherfucker out here. Yeah. We out here. Oh, record that. It's lit. Yo, this is what we do in the winter time. Imagine the summertime. They're not gonna be able
the stand-up, bro. Woo! I hope I don't run out of gas. We good. Woo! I keep dying. I locked up the wheel. This shit's lit, yo. Yo, like if you ever rode a dirt bike in the fucking snow. Now, I know you didn't. I don't get no likes anyway.
That's a preview.
I'm tired. You want to try it?
Oh, you ruined that shit. What you do a donut? Oh, do a donut. Oh, do a donut. Oh, see, you're nice, you know.
This shit's hard. The back wheel is like what I'm afraid of. Like,
Yeah. It goes crazy.
yo.
You having fun?
It's okay. It's just that's the scary part. I just have to get used to it.
Yeah,
It's fine, though.
ride it like a motherfucker.
I remember the controller, brother.
Got enough for this. What you think? Gang shit. Yo, gang, you tuning out? All the motherfucker you don't even know. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? No, what's up, bro? Thank you. You know something?
Back at the fucking crib. You know what the fuck it is, man. I love everybody supporting, watching the vlogs. We're gonna keep doing this every day that we can possibly do this, you know what I'm saying? And that's all I gotta say, man. Tune in tomorrow, the day after that, next month, next year, all that. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. It's happy December 1st, last month for the motherfucking year. Keep doing better. Keep, you know, don't sweat it. Don't be mad at me, cause I do what you can. Hey, what's up? Stop recording, bro. Stop.